So one of the questions that comes up is what is the minimum system requirements for running ViXL-3D? So today what we're going to do is look at this running on an RCA Cambio tablet. This is a very low-end $99 Windows 10 tablet. This runs an Atom processor, a Z8350, which is a 64-bit quad-core mobile processor. It runs at 1.4 gigahertz. This has 2 gigabytes of memory in it and 32 gigabytes of flash. And so we're running this in Office 365. And so we're going to open up the Excel example worksheet that comes with ViXL-3D. It gives you a series of worksheets that you can play with the different features of ViXL-3D and kind of get a feel for how the software works. And what we're going to be looking at here is an ICC profile chart. So this is a set of measurements taken from a color chart that was printed and then measured with a spectrophotometer. So we see the LAB values are actual point values and the RGB values are used in the colorizer to give color to each one of the points. And so this is what we're looking at here is the actual color gamut of the printer, and you can see all of the points that were measured. I believe there's some 1,600 points that are in this particular example. We'll turn off the bounding box, and so you can see the points here, and you can see this moves very smoothly. There are no issues, even though this is running on a very, very low-end tablet. That's a little 10-inch tablet. We'll lock the x-axis. We can zoom in and out. We can pan and move it around. And you can see everything, again, moves very smooth. And we can have multiple windows open depending on the complexity of the model. And on really, really complex models, you have some limitations as far as the number of windows you can open. But for something like this, this is very easy. I can stick my finger in here. I can move this around. This is a touch screen. I can go ahead and put it in a free axis rotate, and I can just move that model around here. We're looking at the colorized convex hull surrounding the points, the measurement points. And I can lock in different axes. This is the y-axis, which represents the A-star values, which is my redness, greenness. This is back to the L-star, which is my x-axis. This represents lightness. And I can go back, turn off my convex hull, and I can see my points. And again, you can see this moves very smoothly back and forth. Again, zoom in and out. And I'll turn that convex hull back on. And we'll lock on the z-axis. So this would represent my B-star value. So this is yellowness, blueness. It's a yellow-blue scale. And again, my red-green scale, which is my A-star. And the x-axis is my L-star. And so here the free axis rotate. And we'll just pop up the about box here. This is the beta version. So this is 0.32. We're currently working on 0.4 beta. So this is the 3.2 version. This just gives you a very simple example of how well this software runs on even a very low-end device like this.